Hey everyone, it's Robin. Today for lunch, to go along with my soup, I decided to make some Irish brown soda bread, and it's made with the rye scald. Now that rye scald helps prevent staling. I'll show you how to make it. It's delicious. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with a bread pan or a Dutch oven like this one inside. Whisk together whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, wheat germ effusing, and salt. You can go ahead and set that aside until you're ready to use it. I decided to sift mine today because I saw some lumps of baking soda, and I do not want white lumps in brown bread. That would not be good. So let's make the scald. Take your rye and your boiling water and make a paste out of that. And this scald prevents staling and it works. I love it. Now you want to use a blender for best results. I happen to have a stand mixer there because I was making cookies earlier. So once again, like a Vitamix or a blender would be best. Or even hand beaters would work. So you take your buttermilk and oil, and then you just want to mix that on medium speed until thoroughly incorporated. And then put it back in the same bowl and scrape it out if there's a little bit left in there. You can see my reflection, and then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and give it a good mix. And then you're going to see that the dough is going to become very sticky and pasty, and you want to put that on parchment paper, but you're going to have to wet your hands first. There you go. Then you want to, once you get it on the parchment paper, you want to smooth it into a 10-inch round, but don't pat down hard on it. You just want to shape it into a round ball, basically. You're going to have to wash your hands again and moisten a scraper and make a cross in the top. You could also use a knife for this. Then you want to turn the oven down to 400 degrees Fahrenheit from the previous setting, and then bake it for 30 minutes with the lid on top. After 30 minutes, bake it with the lid off for 5 minutes. And here you go. It's beautiful. Didn't take very long at all. Has a nice crust on the outside and soft on the inside. It smells beautiful. So it's great for slicing and toasting. You put jam on it, use it with soup, or my favorite, smoked salmon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.